Hi, we are from group 189 of KKN BBM Airlangga University at Kemayoran Baru, Surabaya. We would like to explain about the 4 goals in Sustainable Development Goals, that is quality education. So, please keep watching. What is Sustainable Development Goals? The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDG, also known as the Global Goals, were adopted by United Nations in 2015 and agreed upon by the world leaders, including Indonesia, as a universal call to action to end the poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030, all people enjoy the peace and prosperity. The Sustainable Development Goals has 17 goals and 169 targets that expected to be achieved by 2030. The 4th goal in SDG is quality education. As the saying goes, education doesn't change the world, but it changes the people that are changing the world. That's why we know education is very important. Education can become as the key that will allow many other SDGs to be achieved. When people are able to get quality education, they can break from the cycle of poverty. Education, therefore, helps to reduce inequalities and to reach gender equality. It also empowers people everywhere to live more healthy and sustainable lives. Education is also crucial to fostering tolerance between people and contributes to more peaceful societies. The right to education must be universal without discrimination, so that everyone can build a better future in their life. At the same time, through education, the active participation of people in their societies is enhanced, while they learn to respect and live in a world characterized by diversity and pluralism. Sustainable Goal 4 aims at promoting equal access for all in both primary and secondary education. At the same time, emphasis is placed on the enhanced access to tertiary education, as well as vocational and technical training, which in developing countries is particularly low. Within this framework, there is also a gradual increase in the available scholarship for the developing country students to enroll in tertiary education, to participate in vocational training programs and other science programs in developed or other developing countries. At the moment, the world is suffering the pandemical times. Many countries, including Indonesia, are experiencing a surge in COVID-19 cases that has not stopped. This resulted in paralyzing various areas of life, such as the economy, tourism, to education. The recommendation to stay at home from the government requires all activities to be carried out in online form. Since March 2020, yesterday, schools must familiarize themselves within the form of online teaching and learning activities. As we know, this online learning method also affects the learning style and absorption of students in receiving lessons. This is evidenced by the number of complaints not only made by the students but also by parents. Learning methods that tend to be boring, resulting parents have to directly involved in providing lessons. The role of parents is very large because they also have to explore the role as teacher at home. Seeing this problem, we are from group of 189 KKN BBM of Airlangga University are trying to solve it. One of our programs that we have done is the distribution of posters for children's online tutoring in Kemayoran Baru, Surabaya. This poster distribution is expected to help parents in guiding their children in online learning. Through this, we hope that this effort can help continue to create quality education in Indonesia so that the 4 goals of sustainable development and the other goals can be achieved.